In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Pay on your Stripe account. This is a great way to provide your customers with a seamless and efficient payment method, enhancing their experience and potentially increasing your sales. Let's get started, and I'll guide you through each step to make the process as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate over to the Stripe website. If you're not already logged in, now would be the time to enter your login credentials and access your dashboard. Stripe is a popular payment processing platform that offers a wide array of features to streamline your business operations, and enabling Google Pay is just one of them. Once you're logged in, look toward the left side of your screen and find the Settings option. Clicking on this will open a list of various configurations you can adjust. From this list, you should identify and select the Payments tab. This section is where you'll manage all aspects related to how you handle transactions on your platform. Now in the Payments section, you'll see several options related to payment methods. You're going to want to locate the Payment Methods subsection. Once there, scroll down until you find Google Pay. It might be towards the middle or the bottom of your options, depending on how many methods you have. Google Pay is a popular digital wallet that allows customers to make purchases swiftly and securely with just a few taps, leveraging the information already stored on their devices. When you see Google Pay on the list, simply click the Turn On button. This action will enable Google Pay for your Stripe account. Once Google Pay is activated, your customers who use Google devices or have Google Pay accounts will be able to select it as their preferred method when checking out on your site, making their shopping experience faster and easier. And just like that, you're done. Enabling Google Pay on Stripe is as easy as those straightforward steps. By doing so, you've opened up an additional payment gateway that caters to millions of users around the globe who rely on Google Pay for their everyday transactions. Remember, offering diverse payment options can make a significant difference in attracting more customers and increasing your sales conversion rates. That wraps up our quick guide on enabling Google Pay in Stripe. Being able to turn on such a feature with just a few clicks underscores the power and flexibility of modern payment systems. If you have any questions or run into any trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to Stripe support or check out their comprehensive documentation. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.